Supriya Sule ji.
Madam, this is a very important subject which has unfortunately been exceptionally controversial, and it's a very serious subject. I myself come from a family which has suffered from oral cancer, and I really appreciate the reply of the Honorable Minister where he has connected tobacco to oral cancer. So I would urge you first to sensitize your subordinate committee members that there is a connection, because they constantly raise that issue. There was no connection between cancer and subordinate. So I think that is the first thing, and I think in the entire House to be sensitized, because it's a very serious issue, sir. And in
Yes, please, question, please.
Yes. Yes. So, Madam, they have deferred. The decision was on 1st of April to get 85% of the pictorial warnings. And at that point, it was decided with the controversy, since they were divided on this issue, the Honorable Prime Minister very kindly intervened, and he said at least 65% should. So I urge the ministers, what is the final stand of the government? And that a lot of cigarettes which are available, which are even imported, which do not have pictorial warnings. So what are they going to do? That is unanimous rule, whether it's an Indian cigarette or an imported cigarette, the rule should be same. So how will you implement it to make sure that the next generation is aware? Because we know this is not the only solution. Okay. But what intervention will you make? Thank you.
Yes.
First of all, I would like to ensure this House, the members of the House, and through this House, the nation, that the ministry is consistent and very crystal clear about it, that the consumption of tobacco is to be reduced. And for that, multi-pronged strategy is to be adopted. One of the strategies is to increase the pictorial warning. That has got little procedural problem which we are facing at this point of time, but in coming times we'll see to it, because it is with the subordinate committee on the subordinate legislative committee. They are going to give their deliberations, but we have been consistent there also. In written reply as well as in oral examination, we have told them very clearly that tobacco has got a direct connection with, it's carcinogenic, and it has got a direct connection with cancer, and we will see to it that all international practices to reduce tobacco is to be undertaken by the ministry, that we will take. Not only that, we are also introducing a program in which the school children are to be educated, because that is also one area where we need to address this problem, and that also, and there are other strategies also which we are going to adopt. But about this committee, as the committee gives its report, we are consistent on it. We have given our reply. We will go ahead. That is what I can assure.